these cars, electric vehicle brand Zika sold 5,000 cars in Australia. Fiat sold 13. This month alone sold 3,057 cars to be exact. These are the numbers they're doing, as opposed to some of the Europeans who are selling 10 or 13.
Are they more competitive pricing and just like...
They are,
yeah.
but they're actually really, I've driven one, I'm sure they're so well made.
Yeah.
And the fit out in these cars is amazing, and the price is amazing. But they're also electric, so if that's your thing. But the numbers are frightening. And it means the end of some of these big European brands. And seriously, I think I'm making something you can read all about it. It's happening. And more of these European